Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a flying machine. So these are the materials: a slime block, an absorber, a piston, and a sticky piston. So let's get started. First, place the slime blocks, the absorber, and the piston as shown. Now do the same, but on top and with a sticky piston instead of a piston. Sorry. Now what you need to do is remove the block under the absorber. And wait, sorry. Now you need to build it like this, and then like that. Now, so can also be a trampoline if you get on the slime block. Then it will bounce you up and down. So that's more of a rocket than a flying machine. Now, if you want to make a flying machine, it's basically the same thing but sideways. So let me show you what I mean by that. First, you need to put your piston like here and your absorber. First you need to put your piston and absorber like so. Then put the slime block. Oh, sorry, it needs to be one block tall. So put the slime blocks as shown. Now place the piston and absorber as shown. Now do that for the other side, but this time with a sticky piston. Oops, sorry. And place the slime block back. Now all you need to do is place the block in front of the absorber and it should go.